Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the announcement of the theme for July, no, August. Can you believe August is here or right around the corner? August 3rd, Amaya Raine Day. August 16th, Dolls Gone Goth Day. August 18th, Hi Barbie. Doris, Dollies, and I each month set up a theme for these three challenges. And the challenges, we ask you to join in with the theme that we have given and put your videos up on the same day as we do. We always thank you for joining in. And Dory, you're always so much fun. This month, as you can guess from seeing the dolls on my counter, is Pirates. We did water play last month, and this month we're going to do more water play, Pirates. Thank you to everyone who watches this channel, who leaves comments, subscribes, and likes. I so appreciate it. If you don't do those things, would you please? And join us on Thursday nights live at 6 p.m. Central. Thank you for watching. See you on the dates. Amaya Raine the 3rd, Dolls Gone Goth the 16th, and Hi Barbie on the 18th.